Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to record on laptop with audio on Windows 10 or 11. So for this guys, just open up your start menu and search for an app called Snipping Tool. And in here as you can see we can make screenshots and we can also record a video. So before you do this guys, also let us go into the settings in here. And guys, in here just scroll down, and in here under the screen recording settings you need to choose, as you can see, include system audio by default when the screen recording is starting. And if you wish to also record your microphone audio, you can also enable this button in here. And after that, you can just go back and start recording. So just press on the record button as so, press on new. Now, if you want to, for example, record your full screen, just drag like this, to be able to record all of your screen, and then just press on start recording. And as you can see, 3 seconds passes. And we are now recording. So as you can see, I can just click on anything I want. I can pretty much use my windows as I would usually. Press on stop recording. And in here, as you can see, you can trim it, edit it as you wish. You can also play it back. As you can see, I have my mouse moving. Everything's fine. Everything recorded. And if you wish to now access your recordings, you pretty much just go into your settings and open screen recordings folder. And there you will see your files. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.